Is your iCloud email suddenly not working at all? iCloud mail problems can occur from Apple server outages, network connectivity issues, outdated iOS or macOS software, authentication errors, storage limits being reached, or even corrupted mail data. The challenge is figuring out which issue is affecting so you can apply the right fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and most effective troubleshooting steps to get your iCloud mail working again, no matter what's causing the problem. And if you're still stuck, call our support team at the numbers on the screen to get quick help. Alright, let's begin with solutions. Method 1. Update your device OS. First, you should tap on the settings icon on the iPhone home screen. After that, scroll down a bit and then select General. On the next screen, tap on Software Update. If your OS shows an update, then tap on the Update Now option. Once the update is complete, check if your iCloud mail problem is resolved. If updating your OS helps in fixing your problem, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. However, if not, let's move on to the next solution. Method 2. Check the iCloud mail settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the section at the top where you see your profile picture and name. On the next page, tab iCloud. Now tap iCloud Mail. Toggle on the Use on this iPhone option. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.